Hello friends, I am Neeraj Sharma, Assistant Professor, Biyani Group of Colleges. On the behalf of Guru KPO, I am presenting a presentation on e-commerce. It's a video lecture. Basically, what is e-commerce? So first of all, we should discuss about the definition of e-commerce. What do you mean by e-commerce? E-commerce is called electronic commerce. All the commercial activities we can implemented with the using of technology, IT. So we can use it is a technology which is very useful for performing commercial activity. Any kind of commercial activity we can perform with the using of e-commerce. Second thing, we can do any transaction like we can purchase, we can sell, or any kind of transaction we can do with the using of e-commerce. And payment system also we can implement it using of e-commerce. So e-commerce websites also beneficial for payment system, like if we want to do the payment with the using of credit card, debit card, or maybe some smart cards, so we can perform it. After that, we can discuss about the different websites. We have the lot of websites which is defining the e-commerce technology. So for example, we have the Amazon, we have Flipkart, and lot of websites we have in the market which is describing all the purchase activity, all the sales activity, and a lot of activities we can do using of e-commerce. So basically we can say that three type of e-commerce activities we can use it. Like for example, we have the business to business, so it is called B2B, and second type is business to consumer, means we can send the information from business to consumer side, and after that we can say that consumer to consumer. This is the type of three e-commerce activities. So, let's discuss with the type of e-commerce. First of all, we discussed that we have the type business to business. So we can say that one business enterprise can be communicate with another business enterprise using of business to business type. So for example, we can say that one IT company, maybe HCL or maybe Wipro, they wants to assemble the computer, HP maybe, and they want to communicate with the Intel processor. Intel is the company which is creating some processor. So on that time, the one business can communicate with another business. So we can say that business to business can be implemented on that time. So business to consumer is the second type. We can say that one consumer can be communicate with the another business. For example, if some person or maybe some people, they wants to purchase some product, so on that time they will go to the directly to the websites and directly to the shop, and they will purchase directly. So on that time we can say that it will implemented by B2C. We can say the third type is C2C, consumer to consumer. OLX is the best example of the consumer to consumer. We can say that consumer to consumer means that one consumer will be sell directly to the another consumer. So on that time this technology will be implemented. So business enterprises sometimes happen that they are not interfering in some websites, like OLX is the best example for it. Let's discuss about the advantage of e-commerce. What is the basic advantage of e-commerce? Why we should use the e-commerce basically? So we have the 24/7 operations inside the e-commerce. So 24/7 means we can access anytime any website of e-commerce, and globally we can reach. The second point is globally reach. Globally reach means we have anywhere we can reach, anytime, anywhere we can reach with the globally reach process. Next is cost of acquiring, serving, and retaining the customers is most probably we can say that e-commerce website is the less costly, and we can directly serve the customers some services, as well as retaining some customers also. Improve customer services also. For example, if a customer wants to giving some services, or maybe want some services to the company, from the company, so on that time the improved customer services will be provided by the e-commerce websites. We can say that a technology based customer interface is also provided by the e-commerce websites. Customer control and interaction also can be handled by the e-commerce websites, and knowledge of customer behavior, we can say that it can be happen with the using of e-commerce websites. Friends, next discuss about the another topic which is the disadvantage of e-commerce basically. We can say that e-commerce is the technology which is having some blessing to the customers, but some of times it's happened that it's not having some kind of blessing, and we have some curse on that time. So first of all, we should know about that what is the basic disadvantage of e-commerce. First is this, sometimes it's happened that if we are purchasing some product or some purchase some goods, so on that time we are not getting these kind of goods or services reliable. So this is the basic disadvantage of e-commerce. The good services is not timely given by the companies. So on that time we can say that this is the another disadvantage of the companies which having in the e-commerce websites. We can say that customer are not having websites knowledge also. We don't have the knowledge about the IT also. Some of the customers doesn't have. So on that time we cannot use the e-commerce websites, and we can say that some of rapid action cannot be taken by the companies. So on that time we have to be wait a long for services. So we can say that this is another disadvantage of e-commerce. And another, we can say that supply chain management is there. So on that time the product or goods or services will be given by the given to the customers by the vendor from not frequently. Maybe something is happened, or it happened in between. So on that time the good and service is not taken by the company to the customer on the particular time. So we can say that this is another disadvantage. We can say technical problem is also there. Some of time it happen that we don't have the internet facility, or we don't have the website access, or maybe some another kind of technical issues may be there. So on that time we can not access the directly. So this is the basic advantage of e-commerce. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share, and thank you so much. Thank you very much.